Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. This is update number 113. We've been going for a while. If you've just started joining the channel, we've started the channel back in April of 2021. Almost been going for 2 years. Great to have you following along. If you're not, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, follow along. All that good YouTube stuff. Subscribing is free, like I always say, but you know what? Without further ado, let's just get right into the portfolio and show you how we're doing. All right, here we are in the TFSA using the app as always, and you can see down 1% this past day. A little bit off though. I did do a deposit yesterday, and just the way that Wealthsimple calculates everything, it seems to bring it down down by that amount the following day. But it is invested, so we're actually down today. It's going to change a little bit here. Market's just closed as I'm filming this, down $50.11. But we'll just show how the portfolio is doing at the very end here. Let's scroll down, and we'll do total value on the portfolio. And let's go, bam, Brookfield Asset Management, we're up 10.76%. That's awesome, $7.40. That's part of the StreamYard challenge. If you are following along, I canceled my StreamYard for the live streams, and I'm putting that subscription money into BAM every month on the first of the month. So there'll be another deposit going into that the beginning of March for around $33. It works out to Canadian. BEP.UN, 20 shares, down 16.27%, $143.09 in the red on that one, unfortunately. BN, this one I haven't been adding to, going now into BAM, down all-time 1.64%, just over $1.18. There's a fractional share in there. BTCY, 197 shares. This is the Bitcoin yield ETF. I still want to keep adding to this position, trying to keep it just around 5%, so it's kind of time to add some more into there very shortly, but haven't recently, other than reinvesting dividends that come through for this one. Down 15.03%, $116.73 on BTCY. CMC, we skip over, hanging on this one too, as you know, if you've been following the channel, learn from mistakes. 150 shares, down 94.35%, $175.25, not that great. Diversified Royalty Corp, this one's doing good. It was suggested by the Coffee Crew community of the channel to purchase for my 100th episode or 100th stock portfolio update, up 11.87%. Pretty happy about that. $35.50 in the green, which is nice. Now you might see some of these numbers change as I go through because the market just closed. Sometimes it just takes Wealthsimple a little bit of time to reconcile. ETC, that's the Evolved Cryptocurrencies ETF. That is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Does not pay a monthly dividend, down 52.74%, $733.91. Going to be a long-term hold for this one. We'll keep adding to this still position, but I have been, again, still focusing a little bit more on BTCY as I have the funds available. Green Lane Renewables, again, long-term hold, down 57.82%, $742.16 in the red on Green Lane. PSA, this one is up a little bit, up by 1 share. This kind of fluctuates with the dividend, but up, almost 8 cents. That will fluctuate and then come right back down again after the dividend gets paid, basically after the ex-dividend date. But I did add yesterday. Markets were obviously closed on Monday, but yesterday I did add $100, part of the dollar cost averaging that I'm doing every week for this year, buying 1 share of PSA. And then also we'll get into what the rest of the $100 with very shortly. RNW, TransAlta Renewables, 60 shares, down 31.02%, $314.91. SOT.UN, that's the Slate Office REIT, down 9.85%, $67.92. And TELUS, this one, channel favorite, but it's down right now, unfortunately, just over 24 shares, down 1.93%. So $13, and let's call it $13.14. Tesla doing good, up 21.73%, $97.75 on 29 shares. That is the Tesla CDR. And VDY, we are just over 79 shares, almost 80 shares of VDY. I did purchase 1 more share of this yesterday. That's part of that $100 that I deposited in. I buy 1 share of PSA, 1 share of VDY, and the remaining goes into VFV as a fractional purchase. So up 4.38%, which is great, $144.58. VDY dividend coming out again for next month. Just got actually released the news for that one. It is up again as well, so that's great. Good dividends coming through from VDY. Happy with this one. We'll keep adding to this as part of my dollar cost averaging. And VFV, just over 37 shares, 37.456 shares, down 1.46%, $53.32. YGOG, that's the Yield Google ETF, 13 shares of that, down 5.59%. $15.43 on YGOG. I still want to add to this one. I will be adding that probably within my next when I have some extra deposit to put in, I will be purchasing a few more shares of that one. And last but not least, YTSL, that's the Yield Tesla share. This one's been doing great, down a little bit right now, but from what it was, obviously, but up 47.38%. Really happy about that, and $239.38 in the green. Let's go up and see how we're doing on altogether for the TFSA. Obviously on one day, which you saw, and you can see the number here already kind of changing, down 1% on the day, we'll call it that, but it's actually only down $39.26. Kind of a rough couple days on the market, yesterday especially, red today is again. Let's go for the 1 week, down 1.76%, $247.04. On the 1 month, we'll click through, up on the month though, which is good, up 1.18%, $161.27. On the 3 months, more green, which is nice, 3.5%, 400, there we go, this changes as I'm reading this, $468.82. On the all 1 year and all time, we're going to see some red though, unfortunately. On the past year, down 6.27%, $921.63, and all time we are down 9.13%, $1,384.52 on the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. All right, thanks for watching. As always, let me know down below in the comments. It's always great to hear what people are buying, what they're selling. Is there anything new you've picked up? Let me know if there's something that's new in your portfolio. It'd be great to hear your latest addition. On that note, thanks for watching, everybody. I will have another live stream scheduled for tomorrow. Obviously, we could do live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time. If you haven't joined a live stream, we do have an awesome group of people there, a really helpful group. Lots of questions get answered. Talk about our investments, talk about TFSAs, talk about RSPs. Usually get a conversation that goes in another completely different direction, which is always fun, and be great to have you join along as well. Until then though, you can check out this video.